How can I buy Cialis online?
Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk through the process of purchasing Cialis online safely and legally. Cialis is a medication commonly used for treating erectile dysfunction and benign prostatic hyperplasia. Remember, buying any medication online requires careful consideration to ensure safety and authenticity.
Why choose online pharmacies?
Online pharmacies can offer convenience, privacy, and sometimes cost savings. However, not all online pharmacies are created equal, and it's essential to ensure you're dealing with a legitimate and licensed entity. Be aware that buying medications from illegal online pharmacies can lead to receiving counterfeit or substandard drugs.
How to find a legitimate online pharmacy?
To find a legitimate online pharmacy, look for ones located in your country that require a prescription, have a licensed pharmacist available for questions, and are authorized by the National Pharmacy Regulator. For example, in the U.S., the online pharmacy should be verified by the National Association of Boards of Pharmacy, NABP.
How to get a prescription for Cialis?
Cialis is a prescription medication. To get a prescription, you'll need to have a consultation with a healthcare provider. Many telehealth services offer online consultations where you can talk about your symptoms and medical history with a healthcare provider who can then prescribe medication if it's appropriate. Always remember that getting a prescription is crucial to ensure the drug's safety and efficacy for your condition.
How to place an order online?
Once you've obtained a prescription and selected a legitimate online pharmacy, you can place an order. Generally, you need to create an account, fill in a medical questionnaire, and upload your prescription. Your answers and prescription will be reviewed by a licensed pharmacist or a healthcare professional. Once approved, you can then choose the amount of Cialis you need and proceed to checkout. Ensure to follow all steps meticulously to avoid any errors or complications.
What to check upon receiving your order?
Upon receiving your order, check to ensure the medication is correctly labeled and the packaging is not damaged. The Cialis pill should come as an almond-shaped tablet and can be either yellow or clear. Remember, do not consume the medication if you suspect it to be counterfeit or damaged. In conclusion, buying Cialis online can be a convenient and easy process, but it's essential to ensure you're dealing with legitimate online pharmacies and have a valid prescription from a healthcare provider. Stay safe and make informed decisions when it comes to your health. We hope this guide has been helpful, and thanks for watching.